how to apply live wallpaper in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here on our desktop. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on our Microsoft Store. And then in this part, what we're going to do on the search bar is to search for Lively and then click enter. Once you search that, just look for Lively wallpaper right here and then click this and then click get. After that, again, on the search bar, what we're going to do is to search translucent TB, which is right here, and then install that either. And then once it is downloaded, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, open this. Once you open that, just choose which wallpaper that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this. So just click this one right here. And then let's go back here in this page. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So you can use and move this around. And then let's open translucent, this one. And then just click continue right here. And as you can see, the navigation bar is now translucent. And then if you want to add a customized live wallpaper, all you have to do is to open this. And then in this part, just click add wallpaper. And then just choose the file that you want to use. So just look for the video that you want to use right here and just upload it. And then after that, just click OK. And then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how to apply live wallpaper in Windows 11.